Children, let's see one more sum which is based on substitution. Now, who will tell me that how to identify whether the sum belongs to a substitution kind of type? What is I said earlier? What did I say earlier? Yes, anybody? Absolutely. When you find a variable in terms of monomial or binomial, we always go for substitution, right? Variable in the denominator, either in monomial or binomial, we say substitution. I hope you understood what I'm trying to say. Binomial, right? So it's substitution. Nothing to say further. We directly go with our sum. Let 1 upon m plus 3 be a and 1 upon n plus 2 be b. So I will not now make you understand. Everything is what you know. So what is our sum? Changes to 32a plus 33b is equals to 31. Equation number 1. 33a plus 32b is equals to 34. Equation number 2. Once again, you might say this is an add, subtract, add sum. Either you take this as an add, subtract, add sum, or I have shown you that though the sum appears to be an add, subtract, add, you can go without that also. We are taking add, subtract, add. Adding equations 1 and 2. Adding equations 1 and 2. 32a plus 33b is equals to 31. 33a plus 32b is 34. Now those who have seen both the videos just earlier on what we have seen, they might see that, sir, add, subtract, add is a bit lengthy, and the other one which we did one more, right? A part of add, subtract, add. You might say, sir, that's very easy and simple. It shortens down the sum by many steps. Then why you are not? Answer is very simple. I'm just looking at these numbers. So if I take that method, I have to multiply by a good number, a very big number over here. I may go wrong in my calculation. That's the only fear I have. My children might go wrong, right? That's the reason I say if the sum is of add, subtract, add, go for it. But if you feel that, okay, I'm very much confident about my calculation, I cannot go wrong, then you can always opt for that method. And you should not go for add, subtract, add. Choice is totally yours. 32, 33, 65a, 65b, 65 common, divide by 65, a plus b is equals to 1, equation number 3. Next, subtract. Subtract equation 1 from 2. 33a, 32b, 34, 32a, 33b, 31. When I subtract, sign changes. 33 minus 32, simply 1a, plus 32 minus 33, minus 1b, 34 minus 31, 3. A minus b is 3. This is my equation number 4. Now, can I go for addition? Adding equations 3 and 4. Two a gets cancels off. 4, a is equals to 2. Substitute a equals to 2 in equation. In add, subtract, add, we either go 3 or 4. Equation 1. A plus b is 1. 2 plus b is 1. B equals to 1 minus 2. B equals to minus 1. B equals to minus 1. Are we done with our sum? Indeed not. What we need to go for? Resubstitute. Resubstituting. The values of A and B. If you can do it simultaneously, fine, or else one below the other. 1 by m plus 3 is equals to A. 1 by n plus 2 is equals to B. 1 upon m plus 3 is equals to A and a is 2. 1 by n plus 2 is equals to b, and b is minus 1. Right, children? Is it correct? Should I go in this way? No, you should not. You should not. Then it's better that you just take this over here. Then 1 is equals to twice m plus 3. Let me solve this first and then we'll go on to this particular part. 1 is equals to twice m plus 3. 1 is equals to 2m plus 3 2s are 6. Bring this fellow here. Plus 6 when goes over there. 2m is equals to 1 minus 6. 2m is equals to minus 5. M is equals to minus 5 by 2. What is the value of m? M is equals to minus 5 by 2. Here, again on the same lines, 1 is equals to minus of, or you can say minus 1 into n plus 2. 1 is equals to minus 1 into n. 1 is equals to minus 1 into n minus n. Minus 1 into plus 2 minus 2. Let the n go here, 1 should come here. N is equals to minus 2 minus 1. N goes there, plus. Plus 1 comes here, minus. N is equals to minus 3. M is equals to minus 5 by 2. N is equals to minus 3. Let's check whether we are right or wrong. So here comes the cross check. Mind you, before that, if you want, you can write down solution set. Your solution set is going to be minus 5 by 2, comma, minus 3. Minus 5 by 2, comma, minus 3. This is nothing but cross check. What it says, 32 upon m plus 3. 32 upon m plus 3. 32 upon m minus 5 by 2 plus 3. 33 upon n plus 2. 33 upon n plus 2. N is minus 3 plus 2. Right, children? Now, those who want to do some calculation from their side, they can do it. I am doing some oral calculation, children. I am doing some oral calculation. Minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2 is minus 2.5. Minus 2.5 plus 3 is plus 0.5. Minus 5 by 2 is minus 2.5. Minus 2.5 plus 3 is plus 0.5. And plus 0.5 can be written down as half. Plus 0.5 can be written down as half. So 32 upon half. Plus 33 minus 3 plus 2. So 33 upon minus 1. Will this go? So what I'm left with? What I'm left with? I'm left with 32 2s are 32 2s are 64. Minus sign will go up, plus of minus, minus 34, 64 minus 33, 31. If you want, you can cross check here also. But do cross check, children. Don't you give away your papers without cross checking sums which are based on linear equation into variable.